Alright, so we're going to do the install. I'm going to try to do this one-handed while I film this. But basically, you want to kind of tight. This is a 12-year-old truck. Get that guy unplugged out of the way. Got these crappy halogen lights, so all you got to do is twist it and pull it, and yeah, that's your good old crappy halogen bulb. So now come over here, grab our nice LED bulb, get that slid in there, make sure tighten it till it clicks nice and snug. Obviously double check it, and then sorry, like I said, I'm doing this while filming. Get that all connected up. Might possibly zip tie this, clean it up later, but I have to go get some zip ties from the work van. But anyways, simple, easy, quick install. Let me go turn the truck on so we can see the difference. Oh man, that's a way better difference. Obviously, like I said, factory HID, and now got the LED fog lights. Obviously the crappy halogen, and of course really nice LED fog light. Alright, so got the wheel turned obviously the other way. Now on the other side of the truck, come under here. Obviously got this ugly halogen. Just gonna come over here, get that out of the way. Let's see, which way does it go? There it goes. Popped it loose. Get this ugly thing out of here. Grab our new really nice LED. Again, these are 60 watt. I don't know if you can see it, if the camera will focus, maybe not. Kind of hard to see, but anyways, it says H10 on here. That is the correct bulb size for this truck. Obviously it's a 2014, so that is the bulb. Obviously super easy install. You heard it click there, so just kind of that reassurance that it did get installed. Again, I'm doing this while filming, so just bear with me real quick while I get this plugged in. Alright, that's plugged in. Obviously the harness is a little bit longer now. Like I said, I'll probably end up zip tying this a little bit later once I get some zip ties, just to make it a little bit cleaner, just so it's not dangling. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Obviously nice solid, it's snug in there, it's not gonna come out. So let me go turn the truck on again so that way you can see what they both look like. Alright, so now we got the truck on. Obviously, as you can see, way better. Obviously goes with the factory HIDs, both sides. Definitely looks way better than before. Obviously still a little bright out. Might do another follow-up once it gets a little bit darker so you can actually see the brightness on it, but obviously even during the daytime you can definitely tell right away that it does make a huge difference already. So yeah, if you guys want to get you some of these for your F-150, there's going to be a link in the description. Go ahead and click the link, use the promo code, and save you guys some money and get you some really nice LEDs for your F-150. So don't forget to like and subscribe, and stay tuned for the next mods coming soon. Alright guys.